Hello, friends. This is Tanmoy from Tanmoy the Artist, and welcome back to Tanmoy the Artist once again. Friends, today I am going to create something very nice and amazing. Today is Sunday, and I was feeling a bit bored because I cannot go out of home. I am from India, and now it is monsoon in India. So, as usual, it is a rainy day. It is raining outside. I was I was watching rain from my window, and all of a sudden, an idea struck to me. I thought, why not to utilize my time by doing my favorite thing? Yes, my favorite thing is drawing and painting. So, as I thought, I just got up from my bed and now I have started doing this, as you can see. So, friends, let me just take you through this video. Uh, no, I am not teaching you something because I am not a professional. I am not a professional artist. I am an amateur artist and I am a self-taught artist. I have learned on my own things, so I don't know the grammar and I cannot teach you. I don't want to sound like a teacher, but what I did, I mean, not I did, what I'm doing in this video, I can talk about that. I can take you through that, right? That trajectory. So now I'm using this Prussian blue. You can see I'm using this Prussian blue. At the same time, I'm using this earbud to blend it nicely. My camera is shaking because the table is not very stable and it is not very sturdy. So that is why it is shaking like Shakira, isn't it? Friends, look, I am so kind and so generous. Whatever I am doing in this video, I am just showing you each and everything. I am just holding the oil pastel color in front of the camera so that you can make out which color I am using. I am so kind, isn't it? Now I am using this, amethyst. Amethyst, yeah. There is a stone called amethyst, and this color is the same one. It is amethyst. I have put it on my paper, and now I'm doing the same thing again using the earbud to mix it nicely to give it a real feel. Friends, I wish many people, many students, many children, they grab pen, paper, color and they start drawing, painting. This world really does not need any war. Almighty has given us this beautiful world to enjoy our life over here. But we human being, I don't know what to say. We human being are so greedy, are so desperate for power, for wealth. Look, now I'm using this white color. So you can see there are gaps between amethyst and Prussian blue, and I'm just filling up those gaps with white colors. Okay, so yeah, let me come back to the topic. I was saying something. I was talking about the war. Yeah, we are so greedy that we are so desperate about power, wealth, throne, and because of that, war is spreading like anything across globe. America, yeah, it is the most dangerous nation. America is feeling very happy with all this war spreading across globe, because they are able to sell their expensive, deadliest weapons across globe. They are happy to supply weapons to all the nations who are into war. So I think that is that is kind of a terrorism, only one of the terrorism activities from my point of view. I don't know what is your point of view. Please let me know. America is playing a dirty game across all regions. Let it be in Russia, Ukraine war, let it be in Iran-Israel war, let it be in India-Pakistan war. Okay? And previously, we used to think that America is our friend, America is our ally, but time has shown us something else. Okay? So, let me not divert this topic from drawing. I'm using this Prussian blue again. So I'm just drawing some mountains. First I drew a beautiful sky with Prussian blue, amethyst and white. Now I am drawing mountains. So I have just drawn it with Prussian blue. Now I'm blending it with earbud, and the shake starts. The shake starts again when I try to blend it. You can see the shake. It shakes like Shakira. Friends, the whole point which I am trying to make in this video is that let us do something in this world to inspire people, to influence people, so that they can grab a pen, paper, color, they can grab a guitar, they can grab a drum, they can grab a flute instead of weapons, instead of gun, instead of missile, instead of bomb. I can see young people joining army forces. I don't want to name those nations, okay, but I can see there are many young people. They are joining army forces. They are grabbing guns, bombs over color, pencil, guitar, and that is making a dangerous world. We need to think about the forthcoming generation. What are we going to leave for them? God has given us a beautiful world, but we are destroying everything, just for our greed, just for our political ambition, political aspiration. We are discussing about superpower. We are discussing who is going to be superpower, who is the superpower. China is going to become superpower from Asia. America is the superpower. We are always discussing this. Let us stop discussing this. Let us not make those bloody politicians our hero. Let us create a beautiful world, like my drawing, like my picture, like my art. This world is beautiful. God has given us everything: food, water, air, everything. But we are just destroying it. We are making this world, we are just turning this world a dangerous place to survive. Forget about forget about animals. We are not caring for human beings. We have forgotten the brotherhood. We have forgotten that we all are same. Again, I'm using this white color to create the water. You can see that I'm just roughly making some lines with amethyst, blue and white, and then I'm blending it to create a look and feel of water. So I'm just creating a place where sky meets mountains, mountains meet water. It's a beautiful place of friendship, place of togetherness, place of brotherhood, where nature meets nature. See, they don't have any discrimination. We should learn from nature. They don't have any discrimination. They love to stay together. They don't have any boundaries, armies. They are so united. Now I'm using this chrome yellow. This color is called chrome yellow. I'm using this to create the land. And now again I'm blending it. So friends, I can see in this world there are many nations. They are suffering from poor economy. People don't have food. People don't have money for medical treatment. People don't have education. People don't have shelter. People don't have clothes. But I am surprised to see that all those nations which are suffering from this poor economic condition, they are making nuclear weapons. They are investing billions, trillions of dollars to grab more weapons, to build more weapons, to invest in their army, in their arsenal. Now I'm using this yellow green. This is called yellow green. This color is awesome. I mean, I'm just loving the process. I'm playing with so many colors. I wish my life becomes so colorful like this picture. Not only mine, I wish everyone's life becomes colorful like this picture. Those who are watching this video, though my video is being watched by very less people, I don't know what crime I have done. People don't see my video, they don't watch my video, but still I don't give up, because I love this thing. I love drawing, painting, and I want to pursue it till the last breath of my life, because I find it really amazing. It heals me from within. What I was saying that some nations don't have money to look after their people, but they have a lot of money to invest in their army, in their arsenal, in their weapon manufacturing plants. God knows what is going on in this world. As I mentioned earlier, that this world is becoming a dangerous place. Sorry friends, this is actually yellow green. The previous green which I have used to draw the tree, that is called bottle green, and this green is called yellow green. The last one which I used for drawing this tree, that is called bottle green. Though you can see I have mentioned the names rightly on the screen, I would request everyone, those who are watching this video, to use your merit, to use your intelligence to build something constructive, not destructive. Work on an idea which could be very useful, helpful, beneficial for the entire humankind. Write, draw, paint, create music, create something that really makes this world more beautiful. Don't speak the language of hatred. Our leaders, they promote the languages of hatred. They play dirty games in the name of religion, in the name of God, to grab power, to get more power. God doesn't want us to do what we are doing currently. We are killing each other. We are destroying each other. We are talking the language of hatred instead of love. Stop doing this. Let's join hand and make this world beautiful. See, these countries, these borders are created by human beings. God has given us the land, water, air, sky, trees, but we have just divided them and then named them as countries like India, Pakistan, Iran, Israel, Ukraine, America, Russia. God knows what is happening in this world. So we have almost come to the end of this drawing. I guess that you have enjoyed this method. Now I'm using this black pencil to draw some flying birds. So we are almost done. We means you and me. Together we are almost done. I am Tanmoy Banerjee signing off for now. See you on my next video.